Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2015 65 Audi S3 Quattro Nav. Now this is a nice car, it's the saloon variant. Obviously you can get these in a hatchback as well. We do find the saloons tend to be more desirable. The car itself is in lovely order throughout. Fantastic specification. So this one, just to list off a few of the extras, we've got the Bang Olufsen surround sound system, which sounds absolutely fantastic. We've got the Audi Bucket Super Sport seats. That's another mega factory option. We've also got nice features, so your auto dimming rear view mirror, cruise control. This one's also got the rear parking sensors, so that's also a factory option. We've got the windscreen, it's got the light tint in the upper there, so that's got a little grey tinge to it at the top. But the car looks fantastic. It's finished in Sepang blue metallic, which in my opinion that's one of the best colours for these vehicles. It's got a fantastic metallic fleck, so when the sunshine hits it, it looks fantastic. Shows off the lines of the car beautifully, and I think the blue complements all the silver detailing beautifully. So we've got bright silver detailing on the window surrounds, we've got the sportier matte grey mirror caps, we've got bright silver detailing around the centre grille, in your side mouldings, on your Quattro designation to the bottom, and then we've got other features, so LED daytime running lights, we've got headlamp wash for those as well. Looking through to the boot, for that sporty dynamic boot lip spoiler. So in the back we've got our netting there, we've got the split folding rear seats if you ever need more room, and then under here you've got a space saver spur wheel instead of your tyre inflation kit, so that's a nice thing to have, a bit of peace of mind. But the car itself is in nice order, so just looking down the side of the car you'll struggle to find any dents or dings. No bumper corner scuffs. Mirror caps are in nice order. And then stepping through to the interior, as I mentioned, we've got the Bucket Super Sport seats. So we've got the S3 badging, we've got the quilted diamond stitched leather. The bolsters are in fantastic order. This is where you tend to pick up most of your wear getting in and out of the vehicle. We've got the full lumbar support on that as well. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjustments on the seats, so you can fully sculpt it to exactly the way that you want it. We've got the Bang Olufsen sound system, that sounds fantastic. Gives you a lot more options through the infotainment screen as well. You've got brushed aluminium detailing all throughout the vehicle, your heated mirrors, 4 electric windows, child lock for the rear, central locking. This vehicle is supplied with both keys. We've got our automatic lights. Then closing the door, once you're inside, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. Flat bottom, you've got the nice contrasting stitch which follows through, same stitch that you've got on the seats. You've got your voice command on there, your volume controls, all your media controls for the onboard computer up ahead. So you've got your onboard computer, efficiency programs, digital speedometer. Obviously being the S3, you've also got the lap timer there as well. And as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 51,985 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got the option of the cruise control, auto dimming rear view mirror. Obviously this vehicle also has the satellite navigation, full Bluetooth phone with the music streaming, full FM and DAB radio, and then we've got our multimedia there as well. But pressing through, when you go to tone, you've got your bass, your treble, you've got the surround, you can change the full system of the sound, and then you've got all your car menu there as well. So dynamic, individual, auto, comfort, efficiency. We've got heated front seats on this vehicle, a digital dual zone climate control with air conditioning, traction control. You've got your automatic stop start. This one is coupled with the lovely 6-speed manual. It's an absolute delight to drive through that. You've got your volume controls for the media, all of the shortcut buttons, and the center scroll wheel for the display. Auto hold, that's actually a factory option as well. We've got our electric parking brake, fully adjustable central armrest with your Audi Multi-Media within there. And then lastly, I'll just quickly show you through to the rear seats. So, in the back, I'd probably say very light use. You've got Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. You've got your rear climate vents, so your rear passengers get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. You've got your 12-volt power outlet, ideal if you've got children. They can charge the phones as you're driving along. And then if you have a look at the backs of the front seats, they're in fantastic order. I've pumped the seat all the way back. But when the seat is in a normal seating position, you can definitely fit a grown adult in the back comfortably. But this is a lovely car, nice specification. When you're looking to buy one of these, specification is key. You need to have a look at the condition of the car itself. Obviously, these vehicles, a lot of them have been modified or they've been driven around in anger. This one, you can tell it's been cared for all of its life. It's never had any hard use. Condition wise, a nice thing. So if you'd like any further information on this vehicle, so if you want a personalized video or more images, or you just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch and we'll happily book you in. I always recommend having a look at our Auto Trader reviews. So we are a 5-star dealer. We've got over 490 5-star reviews from verified buyers. So if you want to have a look at the reviews before you set off, you'll see that we're a reputable dealer. We've been here in Wigan for over 40 years. We're a family-owned business and we do the job right. But again, thank you for watching and we look forward to your inquiry.